Early life and education. George Washington was born on February 22, 1732, the first son of Augustine Washington and his second wife, Mary Ball Washington, on the family's Pope's Creek estate near present-day Colonial Beach in Westmoreland County, Virginia. Moving to Ferry Farm in Stafford County at age 6, George was educated in the home by his father and older brother. The growth of tobacco as a commodity in Virginia could be measured by the quantity of slaves imported to cultivate it. When Washington was born, the population of the colony was 50% black, mostly enslaved Africans and African Americans. In his youth, Washington worked as a surveyor and acquired what would become invaluable knowledge of the terrain around his native colony of Virginia. Career. Washington embarked upon a career as a planter, which historians defined as those who held 20 or more slaves. In 1748 he was invited to help survey Lord Fairfax's lands west of the Blue Ridge. In 1749 he was appointed to his first public office, surveyor of newly created Culpeper County. Through his half-brother Lawrence Washington, he became interested in the Ohio Company, which aimed to exploit western lands. In 1751, George and his half-brother traveled to Barbados, staying in Bush Hill House, hoping for an improvement in Lawrence's tuberculosis. This was the only time George Washington traveled outside what is now the United States. After Lawrence's death in 1752, George inherited part of his estate and took over some of Lawrence's duties as adjutant of the colony. Washington was appointed a district adjutant general in the Virginia militia in 1752, which appointed him Mayor Washington at the age of 20. He was charged with training the militia in the quarter assigned to him. At age 21 in Fredericksburg, Washington became a master mason in the Organization of Freemasons, a fraternal organization that was a lifelong influence. In December 1753, Washington was asked by Governor Robert Dinwiddie of Virginia to carry a British ultimatum to the French on the Ohio